December 1st, the first day of Vlogmas. And I just woke up, so I just wanted to, I'm gonna kind of combine this one with my decorate for Christmas with me, because I already decorated for Christmas, but those video footages weren't long enough. They're like 4 minutes, I think. So I'm gonna attach that to the end of this. So I'm just picking up a little bit real quick, and then I'm gonna get ready for church. So I'll speed this part up. But yeah, you guys are gonna go through my morning with me a little bit, and for Vlogmas day number 1, and we're gonna see how this goes. Okay. Hey guys, I am back from church, and so I'm just going to, I have some work I need to do. I need to talk with some clients. I'm a health coach, so I talk with clients, and I post in my challenge group, and I want to get some planning done for the week for what type of tips and stuff I'm going to post, and get some calls scheduled for this week. So I just have some planning stuff that I want to do. So I'm going to set aside a productive hour for the next hour, which I'm just going to dedicate to my health coach tasks. And so I'm going to get that set up. So I guess I'll have you guys watch me for a little bit. But first and foremost, I need a little pick-me-up. I made my smoothie before I went, so I'm not really hungry right now. Even though, like, in my mind I kind of want to have my little egg avocado sandwich, which I'm obsessed with, but I'm not gonna eat that right now. I'm gonna save that for like a little bit of a snack like in a couple hours. So I'm gonna mix together my little all-natural pick-me-up, which I'm obsessed with. So I'm gonna mix that together and yeah, get started on my productive hour, and then I will check in with you guys after the hour and go from there.